welcome to Mr. V's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a coffee, foam coffee with a frother. It's pretty simple, pretty quick to do it, just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to make a foam coffee with a frother. It's going to be pretty easy, but it's going to taste amazing. Let's get started. Just take a cup, just take a little bit larger cup, okay? Just add a 1/4 cup of water. Just add a little bit of water. I don't like the complete coffee with the milk. Then add half a cup of milk. You see here, coffee, the water and the milk. Next, it's half a cup in total. Then add probably the 1 spoon of sugar. If you're crazy about sugar, just you can add a little bit more. So I'm just adding like a 1 spoon of sugar. I'm going to microwave it for a minute. Add probably 1 minute and 20 seconds. That's what I do usually. Some of the microwaves 1 minute is enough. So let's go for a minute and 20 seconds. Alright, milk is ready. Add the coffee powder. I have an Nescafe. Just a spoon. If you want it dark, you can add a little bit. Then here comes the trick. You can buy a frother, milk frother, in Amazon. Yep, what else you will buy Amazon? It comes in 2 packets. 2 frothers in a 1 packet. It's cost around like $10 or $11. It's really worth buying it. I got this pack because I'm going to keep one in a home, then I'm going to take one to my office. Okay, so you see that? It's a pretty little thing. Like I said, it's pretty small and little. See that? It spins pretty fast, right? Okay, so now when you do that, just put it on the top. Don't immerse completely, just put it on the half of it, just spin it. Yep. Do that 2 or 3 times for a second. Then do that. See that? You need a bigger cup. This is why you need a bigger cup. Otherwise, your coffee is going to come out. It's pretty much ready. Coffee is ready. Yep. So I'm going to transfer to my traditional Indian coffee cup. Look at that. Look at that coffee. Wow. So excited. Yeah, let's go ahead and get taste. Do that. Beautiful. Let me taste that. It's pretty good. Wow, it's nice. You should try it. It's pretty good. I like it. It's like a traditional, very traditional way. Very traditional coffee. It's good. Thank you. Thanks for watching.